Today we're going to be cooking beef mechado, and the beef I'm using today is the flank steaks. So I've already marinated this with salt and pepper and a little bit of soy sauce. So we're going to get started and open up a can of crushed tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes, you can use canned tomatoes or tomato sauce. I have crushed tomatoes here. So I'm going to put that all in here in my crock pot. We're going to use the crock pot for this. You could certainly use a regular stove oven for this. But this time, we're just going to use this, okay? So I put the whole thing in there. I'm going to cut up my onions. So I have it on high right now. So I'm just gonna medium cubes, all my ingredients, and that is the onions, potatoes, everything in there. And I got also the steak in medium. So we cut this way. Okay. Just like that. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole thing here. So I'm gonna just lay that in there, just like that. I show you how I have it in there, just like that. And what I have is I've marinated this beef. It's called flank steaks. So I'm gonna lay that on there, just like that. Okay. So this can cook for a couple of hours or so till it's ready for my family to eat this evening. Okay, I'm gonna slice up our potatoes in there. And the other thing that I want to use with my mechado is this Chinese sausage. So I'm gonna put that into, and I'm gonna slice it in about 1 inch long, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna spread it out like that. So we'll separate. Those are those. And then I'm gonna peel the potatoes. I also have some olives. You can put whatever olives you like. I have green. You can use black. Whatever you have. I'm going to put salt. Well, I'm not going to put any more salt and pepper since I did that already when I marinated it last night. So now I have to do, just put everything on top and everything will be all done, ready to eat tonight. Okay, open up some of this olives. I put a little bit of olives there, and then I'm going to get some of my fresh bay leaves that we picked yesterday from our garden. This is how we pick them. As soon as it has leaves, we dry them up like that. Okay.